Gal-101 has the potential to become the new standard of care. I'm Alexander Gebauer, a German MD, Ph.D. I'm one of the co-founders of Galimedix, and I serve there as the executive chairman. I'm very, very excited about the future. I think there's lots that we can offer to the patients. And we believe that we have the future standard of care in all the diseases that we are tackling with our molecule Gal-101. Besides the Alzheimer program, we also have a clinical program running in ophthalmology, where we are fighting two of the leading causes of blindness. We have a phase 2 study in dry AMD currently running, and we are planning to run a phase 2 study in glaucoma next year. We carefully looked at what is available on the market, what is in development, what are others doing, and where are weaknesses, pitfalls, and where are problems for the patients. And all our attempt was looking from the patient side. What do patients need? Now, patients, they do not need any sophisticated methodologies, looking for anatomy, looking for structure. Patients are not suffering from losses in their structure, they're suffering from losses in function. They complain about losing their memory, they notice behavioral changes, they notice difficulties in activities of daily living. And we want to design a study, develop a study, bring it to the patient that stops this horrible disease, that stops the loss of function, whether it's cognition or behavior or others, and maybe even being able to roll it back to a certain extent. We had very, very encouraging phase 1 data. We completed a full package for phase 1 that prepares us now to progress into phase 2. So right now the next steps are, well, first is a fundraising, because we need to pay for that study. We need funds for that. We are also completing some other non-clinical activities, and we are planning to discuss with regulators, let's say end of 26, a potential study design, and then in 27 we are planning to go along and start a phase 2 study in Alzheimer's.